Retirement often brings a desire for relaxation and enjoyment, but it can also bring the question, how can I continue making money from home after retirement? If you're searching for ways to stay financially secure and supplement your income, you're in the right place. First things first, it's important to understand that making money from home doesn't mean you have to dive into risky investments or complex business ventures. Instead, it's about using the skills you already have to create opportunities that work for your lifestyle and goals. One of the most straightforward ways to make money is through online freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to sell your expertise, whether it's writing, graphic design, customer support, or even consulting. The best part? You get to work at your own pace and schedule. If you've spent years in a certain industry, your knowledge is invaluable, and there's always someone willing to pay for it. If you're not sure what you can offer as a freelancer, think about hobbies or past experiences that could translate into paid opportunities. Are you good at crafting, teaching a specific subject, or even organizing? You'd be surprised how many people are willing to pay for these services. Another way to make money from home is through selling products online. With platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon, you can sell anything from handmade crafts to items you no longer need. If you're passionate about a particular niche, you can create an online store and market your products to a broader audience. For example, if you've collected antiques or vintage items, consider turning your passion into profit. Now, before we go any further, if you're serious about protecting your wealth while looking for ways to make money from home, I encourage you to click the first link in the description below. It will lead you to a free guide on gold IRAs, which thousands of Americans are using to protect their wealth during retirement. If you're someone with 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, you need to explore this option. It could make a world of difference in securing your financial future. Moving forward, let's talk about investing as another avenue for generating income. While some retirees turn to the stock market or bonds, there's an alternative that offers security and stability. Gold IRAs. Gold IRAs allow you to hedge against inflation, economic instability, and currency devaluation, key concerns that can disrupt traditional investments. As you might already know, gold has a long history of maintaining value, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to safeguard their wealth for the future. Compared to volatile stocks or other investments, gold IRAs are often more reliable and predictable. For those looking for more immediate, hands-on ways to make money from home, consider renting out a room or even your entire home through platforms like Airbnb. It's a great way to use the extra space in your home to generate income. And don't worry if you're not living in a prime location. People are often looking for unique, quiet places to stay, especially when they need a break or a peaceful retreat. Finally, let's talk about passive income options. These require a bit more work upfront, but can generate ongoing revenue once set up. One example is creating an online course based on something you're passionate about or have expertise in. Websites like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to upload and sell your course. You create the content once, and as long as people are interested, you can keep earning money without much additional effort. So whether it's through freelancing, selling products, renting out a room, or investing in something like a gold IRA, there are plenty of ways to make money from home after retirement. Each option comes with its own set of benefits and challenges, but with the right mindset, you can easily adapt and find the one that works best for you. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and ensuring a safe financial future, don't forget to click the first link in the description. It's perfect for American retirees who want to safeguard their 100K plus IRA or 401k, or even those with up to $5 million in savings. By taking action today, you can take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to explore other ways you can secure your wealth and enjoy retirement without worrying about your finances.